afternoon, sir. My name is Rakshita.
My name is Jasmita. I'm Keertana.
Our project name is Learn Mathematics in Easy Way. Nowadays, mathematics plays a vital role. Mathematics is the backbone of all subjects. Without mathematics, we can't lead our routine life. With our project, we can learn mathematics in simple and easy ways. Many students are facing problems while doing mathematics. With this project, they can overcome from their problems while doing mathematics. Concepts in my projects are learning geometrical concepts and Venn diagrams, trigonometry has some bases, Pythagoras theorems, principles, graph pointing and areas and regions. Our first model is learning geometrical concepts in easy way. We all know that this is a circle and it is a circumference of a circle. It is the radius and it is the diameter. When we made a diameter, a circle divides in two parts. Those are one semicircle and another semicircle. From diameter, make an angle. If you measure here, it will be 90 degrees. Measure here. Here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. So, we can conclude that at any point on the circumference of a semicircle is always 90 degrees. Let's check another theorem. We know that this is a chord. This is a minor sector and this is a major sector. A sector is a part of a circle. From chord, make an angle. What we done here? We made an angle by chord. So, this is known as the angle subtended by chord at a circumference of a circle. Let's check some proofs. We all know that equal chords subtend an equal angle at a center. So let's check it out. We observe here these two chords are equal in length. So let's measure this. Here 45 and here also 45. So we can conclude that equal chords subtend an equal angle at a center. That angle at a point on the circumference is equal to the half of the angle at a center. Let's check that one. Here is 70. Here is 140. So we can conclude that angle at the circumference of a circle is equal to the half of the angle at a center. This is all about the geometrical concepts. If we use these models in the classroom, students will understand easily. This will be very useful for slow learners. Trigonometry, heights and distances. In first case, a person is observing the top of the building. If you keenly observe here means, we get the right angle triangle. This is the height of the tower and this is the distance between the person and tower. We want to find out this angle. Let's make this angle is the theta. We know that opposite side of the theta is opposite side of theta and the distance between tower is the adjacent side of theta. Let's take the height of the tower is 15 meters and the distance between tower is 30 meters. We know that tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Then tan theta is equals to 15 by 30. Then tan theta is equals to 2. Theta is equals to tan inverse 2. Here next one is, in second case, a person is observing the top of the tree. Here we know the value of theta. Let's take theta is 45. We have to find out the height of the tree. And we know the distance between the tree and person is 30 meters. Here we know that tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Then tan 45 is equals to opposite side by 13. So we know the value of tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equals to opposite side by 30. It means height of the tree is 30. In third case, a person is standing here and observing the base of the tree. This is the angle of side, this is the horizontal line and this is the angle of side. The angle between horizontal and angle of side is the angle of depression. And this is the angle of elevation. Once forget about this line. Just focus on these two lines. These two lines are parallel to each other. Then this will be the transversal. We know that these two angles will be alternate angles. Then these two angles are equal. Then we can say that angle of depression is equals to angle of elevation. Let's take this angle is equal to theta. We have to find out the height of the tower, and the distance between tower and tree is 30. It means the angle of elevation is equals to the angle of depression is equals to theta. Then these two angles are equal. We know that tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. It means tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent. If we know that distance between tower and tree now, though it is the 30. Let's take tan theta is equals to 30. We know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 3 is equals to opposite side. It means height of the tower by opposite adjacent side means distance between a person and tower. The distance between is 30 meters. Then 1 by root 3 is equals to opposite side by 30. It means I have to cross multiplication. Then 30 by root 3 is equals to opposite side. It means the 17 meters is the height of the tower. This is all about the trigonometry. If we use these modes in the classroom, students will understand easily. Normally in schools, teacher asks us like this. In a school, 5 members are there. The school headmaster is presenting the Children's Day. He is presenting 3 games. Those are cricket, kabaddi and co. The 5 members are playing games. One member is playing cricket, another member is playing co, and another member is playing kabaddi. 2 members are playing cricket and kabaddi. This will be easy for us, but when it comes to slow learners, they face difficult. For that reason, we prepare this one. This model is Venn diagrams. Let's imagine this circle is A. It means cricket. This circle is kabaddi means B. This circle is co. It means C. This part is who are participating in only A game. This means who are participating in only B game. This is who are participating in only C game. Here A intersection B means who are participating in A game and B game. Here B intersection C means who are participating in B game and C game. Here A intersection C. It means who are participating in A and C games. Here A intersection B intersection C. It means who are participating in A, B and C all games. Here this region is for who are not interested in any games. If we use these models, they can understand easily. From now onwards, our friends are going to continue the explanation.
If we say these problems in classroom on the board, students will get bored and they feel difficult to understand these concepts. But when we do that concepts like activities, they'll show interest and they focus on the subject. Like that, here we have Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. In Pythagoras theorem, sum of squares of adjacent side and opposite side is equals to the hypotenuse side. A square plus B square is equals to C square. If we want this A square area, we have to do subtraction C square minus B square. If we want this B square area, we have to do subtraction C square minus A square. Here we have algebraic principles. If we say these principles in classroom, some students confuse it and they feel stressed to learn. But when we do that principles like activities, they will show interest and they learn these principles easily. See here, A square plus B square is equals to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A minus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB. A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Like this, so many. See here, before and after numbers. This is very easy to learn. See here, 1 before number is 0. 1 after number is 2. 2 before number is 1. 2 after number is 3. 3 before number is 2. 3 after number is 4. Like this all. Here I am doing subtraction. The symbol used for subtraction is minus sign. It is very easy. I am taking 2, subtracting with 4. We get 2. Thus answer to an subtraction problem is called difference for some square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Like this we can solve any problem. From now onwards, my friend Kirtana will continue the remaining projects.
All are thinking that mathematics is hard subject and tough. When we do these problems on the board in the classroom, they feel difficult and hard. If we do like these activities, they get interested and they focused on the subject. Like that, now we have area and shader region. Now I am going to find black shader region. Here this is a square and these are sectors. For finding this black shaded region, we have to subtract the area of square from the area of sector. Now, area of square formula is side into side. Area of sector formula is 90 by 360 into pi r square. Now, if we add these sectors, we get circle. Now we are going to find this black shader region. We have to subtract area of square from the area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. Next, if we want to find only this red sector, we have to subtract area of square from the area of black shader region. Next, here we have rectangle. At the end of the rectangle, the curve has tied with rope. Rope means radius. The curve grazed this all. The curve didn't graze this one because the radius of the curve for here only. If we want to find the area of grass, we have to subtract the area of rectangle from the area of sector. Next one. Students get confused about it. If we do like with shapes means they get one idea. Here the cube formula. The volume of cube is side cube. The volume of hemisphere means 2 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. Like this all. Here we have squares and cube. Now here 1. 1 square means 1. 1 cube means 2. 1. Here we have 2. 2 square means 4. 2 cube means 8. Here 3. 3 square means 9. 3 cube means 27. Like this all. Now I will show you the graph. Graph pointing. It is easier for us, but when it comes to slow learners, they feel bored. But when we use these models in the classroom, they will get interest. If teacher asks us, what is the 2, 2? Then they keep here. If we do like this, they will get interest. Thank you.